Welcome to the day 3, My Dream Achievers family. Today we are on day 3. Now we know or we have realized about our good and bad habits. Now, to make our day productive, what we need to do is we need to feed our body and mind both. To feed our body, what are the essential things? First, it's exercise. In daily routine, you should practice at least 10 minutes of walk along with different types of small home workouts at home so that you can boost up your body metabolism and you can enjoy a healthy life. Secondly, it could be nutritious food. You should have good healthy diet. Of course, I will not say that please don't have junk food at all. Yes, you should consume it for the taste itself, but once in a while it could be like once in 15 days, but not regularly. Along with that, take proper sleeping hours, that is about 6 to 8 hours according to the needs of your body. Now moving on to, externally we can pamper ourselves. Externally we know that we should do exercise, we should have nutritious food, we should go for proper sleep. But what about internal feed? How can you make yourself internally healthy? It's like feeding up your mind, right? So to feed up your mind, first thing that you should cultivate in your daily life routine is the positive attitude, that is positive mindset. There are many friends around you who will always say, you are not good at anything. You don't know how to boost up yourself. You don't know how to, involve yourself in front of others. You are not good in personality. You don't have good confidence. All these things are the negative mindsets that are provided to you by your negative surroundings. But make sure these should not affect you, right? You should keep yourself positive in mindset. You have to relax yourself. Always do meditation. This is a very important thing to make yourself, your mind healthy. Meditation, in what you can do is just sit in silence 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night in the initial time period. What you have to do during this time period is just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, then moving on to how more productive you can make your mind is, then comes inspirational reading. Many countries like Japan, America are very ahead as compared to India. And what is the basic reason behind that? A survey was done and that concluded that most of the people in these kind of countries always go for inspirational readings. They start up with some book, they cover those concepts of the book in like 5 days. One book is covered in 5 days, 15 days, something like that. They love reading. They learn, to make mind healthy. You need to give that dose. It's a kind of nutritious food for your mind. But in case of India, most people start up with the new book, but that continues for around 1 year. So inspirational readings, like inspirational books, to stop procrastinations in yourself, to make yourself more productive, you should go for inspirational reading books, or you should you should listen to the summary of the various books. One thing more that you can cultivate into your daily routine habits is that at least spend 5 minutes with your family at night. During the day, of course, we people are busy. Entire day, everybody is on their busy tasks. But at least at 5 minutes at night, you should spend some time with your family, where you should discuss about the positivity or positive activities done or received by each member of the family. Today where you are does not matter, but where you wish to go, wish to achieve, that matters. And for that you have to go for various types of self-development trainings. And that is basically investment on learning of your own self. That is, age is not a barrier for those things. You need to satisfy your soul by working upon your activities, by working upon your hobbies and interests at least half an hour a day, so that you can satisfy and relax yourself. You can give peace to your mind and body. So friends, task for the day is break down some bigger tasks into smaller tasks and then complete each task and appreciate yourself while saying you are the best and you deserve that best things. Thank you so much. Have a great day.